Hello everyone and welcome to the channel with you Nick. As we know, every 4 years, an event known as the Bitcoin Halving occurs, where the rewards given to Bitcoin miners are cut in half. This process will continue until all 21 million Bitcoin have been mined. But how exactly does the halving work, and what does it mean for Bitcoin's future? Will Bitcoin cease to exist once all coins are mined, or will the system have ways to sustain itself for decades to come? Let's dive into these questions and more in today's discussion on Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is a mechanism designed to regulate the distribution of new Bitcoin to miners, who are responsible for securing the network and validating transactions. It achieves this by reducing the reward for mining new blocks by 50% approximately every 4 years. To understand it better, let's first review Bitcoin's supply model. The total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins, and no more can ever be created. Since Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network without a central authority, miners worldwide play a critical role in maintaining the system by grouping transactions into blocks and adding them to the blockchain. As compensation, they are rewarded with Bitcoin for every block they successfully mine. When Bitcoin launched, the reward for mining a block was 50 BTC. However, its code specifies that this reward is halved every 210,000 blocks, about once every 4 years, as each block takes roughly 10 minutes to mine. The first halving occurred in 2012, reducing the reward to 25 BTC. Subsequent halvings in 2016 and 2020 brought the rewards down to 12.5 BTC and 6.25 BTC respectively. The next halving is expected to occur in 2024. From an economic perspective, Bitcoin halving impacts the market through the principles of supply and demand. By reducing the rate at which new Bitcoin is introduced, the halving creates scarcity. If demand remains steady or increases, this scarcity can drive up Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's finite supply of 21 million coins enhances its value as a limited asset, especially if demand continues to grow. The final Bitcoin is expected to be mined around the year 2140. After that, miners will no longer receive block rewards. Instead, their incentive to continue securing the network will come from transaction fees. Ideally, these fees will be sufficient to sustain mining activity and maintain the blockchain's integrity. The future of Bitcoin. Halving largely depends on factors like transaction fee structures, mining technology advancements, and market demand. While its design is ingenious, time will tell how well the system adapts in the long term. What do you think? Will Bitcoin halving continue to support the network effectively? To wrap things up, Bitcoin halving is one of the most fascinating features of the cryptocurrency world. It's designed to create scarcity, drive value, and keep the network running smoothly. With halvings happening every 4 years, it's a key driver of Bitcoin's unique appeal. And even when all 21 million coins are mined, likely around 2140, miners will still play a vital role, earning transaction fees to keep the system alive. The big question is, can this model stay sustainable in the long run? Only time will tell. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into Bitcoin and the world of crypto. Nick from InvestingHub was here with you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.